See, definite integral from the beginning, I'm going to teach you. Just check this one out. See, definite integral, many students are doing mistakes, so I plan to teach you definite integral one more time. So much confidence. After this class, also, you're going to sit and practice only, right? Exam. At least how much you have attempted, I'm going to give score based on that also. There's no skip.
Give us 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes you are asking. I'll give you more minutes than that. I'll give after class. Nice. Shall we start the class? Now look here. Definite integral means some of the questions are there which is very very important. One by one we are going to do those questions. Once you are entering into the class, Miss Sadhna, madam, you wrote test na. If you see, there is only one simple rule for me. I am telling you the rule. If out of 80 you are not crossing 60 means fail. Retest. That's the only logic. And Sadhna, you fall into that. Sivaranjani, good evening. Madam, your answer sheet I did not receive. Your answer sheet I have not received. To whom I am saying? That person is knowing whom I am saying this part. I did not receive your answer. You sent me personally one more time because I didn't receive your answer. So I need to check it one more time. Be very specific about it. Sorry to say that. Go and do your work. This is personalized for students of my class. They are having exams. KB is having exam. So I'm giving only revision to Blessing School and some students. For me, one student is also important. What should I do? Say. One is also watching me, so I will teach. What is your problem? I hope you might have understood. So better than irritating me, you do your work. See, most of the formulas, what you are exactly getting, that formulas is very, very important. And definite integral properties, first and all, again and again, I'm telling you, definite integral properties must be known. I hope you might have understood. So, definite integral properties, whenever Joshika, good evening. So, definite integral properties you must be knowing. So, one more time, last time I'm teaching you the properties. Next time after this, if you will ask me, miss, my hand will run like this. Understood. So now look here. So if somebody will be asking you definite integral a to b f of x dx, once integration you have done, what formula you are going to write? So here f of b minus f of a. That means what, after integration f of x will come, and after that f of b minus f of a. In your respective group, first you message that class started. Understood now? So final time definite integral, this video will be there in your group. So whenever you want reference means you can use this video and solve the question. Because today I am going to teach most of the unwanted questions. That is exactly CBSE favorite question. For me, unwanted, CBSE favorite. Okay. So now look here. First property. What is the first property of integration? Says that, one more time I am hitting the properties and I am telling you. This time if mistake came means your specs will be in my hand. Understood? Both of your specs. Remember that. So now look here. First is a to b, f of x dx you are writing, or you can write f of y dy. So it's not about integration. It's about what? It's not about integration. It's about the integral. Correct, na? Good evening, Darunesh. Hey, look at me, yaar. Am I what? I'm asking something to you. You're not even giving eye contact to me. I'm asking only one question from you. What it is about? Is it about integration? That answer I did not understood. Two times you're doing like this, third time you're doing like this. Miss, which one I should take? Say. Huh? Your voice is not working. Your partner, you say. Because half of the test you both have done group activity today now. Say. See, it's not about the first property says that if the function is same, it's not about variable. The integral answer will come the same. You decided to write test, eureka, eureka. That's very good thing. You write and send. So now look here, everybody, please pay attention here. When first property, this is the first property. What the first property says that if f of x same, understood not? Like you check, f of x value is given as x, and f of y value is also given as y. That means a to b x dx. Then it will become what? X squared by 2 b to a. So it will become b square by 2 minus a square by 2. Answer is coming same. Correct? If you write here y, then a to b y dy means it is coming as y square by 2. b and a, it is coming b square by 2 minus a square by 2. Means what? The answer is coming same. If the functions are same, so irrespective of different variable, when integral lower limit and upper limit is same, the integration value remains the same. This meaning is the first property. I hope you might have understood this one. This is the first part. What is the second part of the theorem? That okay, if integrals you will change, means the location of lower boundary and upper limit you are going to change. See, if a to b, f of x dx is there, it will become b to a, f of x dx, and here only one minus will be there. That's it. That's it. This is exactly the second property. Means lower integral and upper integral will change their locations, then minus will come out. Understood? So this is second property. Understood or not? Last time I'm teaching you these properties, so be very acquainted with this. And then we can break the boundaries. Understood or not? So if limit value is given as a to b f of x dx, then we can write as a to c f of x dx. Rowdy shouting by. I hope you might have understood. So we can create change. We can exactly break the integral. How we are going to understand that breaking the integral is possible? So here 1, 2, 3, f of x dx is there. If it is needed, means I will convert it as 1 to 2 f of x dx and then 2 to 3 f of x dx. That means I broke it into integral, but we can be breaking it according to the usage. Then only it is important. This is most important according to the use only. Yeah, say. Huh? Modulus questions. Okay, I'm going to teach. I'm going to teach modulus questions. Get ready for it. I'm going to teach modulus questions. Okay. Are we ready for this? Please check this one out. Next property, but modulus question first you asked me, na? One modulus question I'm going to give. Ready for it? Okay. Kishore, I was waiting for you only. Shall I start my work? Hey, go down. In my bag or outside, R.D. Sharma Part 2 will be there. That book also I am reading today because I need to give all the questions revisions. Ready? Shall I start? I'm just waiting for one book. There are other properties I'm going to teach. But till then, I'm going to start one small work. I'm giving you one question. See, look here. If modulus of x minus 1 dx is given, that is 0 to 2, then what you are going to do? Come on, start solving this question. Let's start the work. Good evening, Kishore. You start doing that work, beta. Get ready for it.
Some gas to this particular.
Gas man.
Some
I'll check. Okay. Thank you so much, Kishore. I'll check that. Thank you. So I've given one modulus question to you. Just check this one out. So once modulus is given to you, it means you have to break it. Understand or not? X minus 1 is given. Always I'm telling that given modulus questions are given, what work you need to do? First you need to break it. Understand or not? So modulus x minus 1 equal to 0. So what is the value of x coming? The value of x coming is 1. So once the value of x coming is 1 means, now you have to go with 0 to 1. So that is what is the limit for the modulus. The limit for the modulus part is exactly x will be equal to 1. Before that, the modulus will open with negative, and after 1, the modulus will be opening with positive. So here it is exactly coming with positive. So now let's check this one out. This part we are going to open 0 to 1, it will open with x minus 1 dx, and then 1 to 2, it will become x minus 1 dx. This is exactly the work we need to do. Everyone, please listen this one again and again. I am telling these type questions many times they are asking, so you need to be very particular about it. I hope you might have understood. So here, when you are writing, this part is coming. So here it will become minus. This section is x square by 2 minus x, and this part is 1 to 0, plus here it is coming as x square by 2 minus x, here it is coming as 2 to 1. I hope you might have understood. Come on, go for it. So this, now you need to solve. You know, you to substitute the value. Listen me very carefully. Now you are going to substitute the value and then get the answer. I hope you might have understood, because you people are not responding. Everyone check first your live is on or not. I am not able to get your answers. Neither you people are saying. Sivaranjani answer is 1. Okay. You first check your live or not. Your answer is coming as 1. I need to check one time. Wait. I'll check. So here it is coming minus. One time you substitute 1. So it will become 1 by 2 minus 1. And then 0 means minus 0 it is coming. Okay, minus is outside. Then here it will become 4 by 2 minus 2. And then minus, here it will become 1 by 2 minus 1. Let's check this one out. It is coming as minus 1 by 2 plus 1. And then plus this cancel. 2 by 2 minus 2 will become 0 here. Directly I am writing. And then minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So here minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 will become 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1. So answer is 1. Very good. Well done. But that's called the short. Super. Very good. You made me happy today. Thank you so much. So definitely when you are solving these type of questions, means you should have that confidence level. You got answer 1? Super. So but I am not going to give you so easy questions. Get ready for a tough question for modulus. Are you all ready, please? So modulus, I am going to take out a very important question from all of you. Wait, one modulus question is there, which is again and again they are asking. So this short question I need from you. Get ready for it, please. So this is cos. I'm going to hit where it is going to pain you more. 0 to pi modulus of cos x dx. Come on, go for it. Go for it, please. 0 to pi cos x dx. I need to inform one person. Answer is 2, Shivaranji. Nice decision. These type questions I also gave an exam. Also came these type questions. So now look at it. Modulus. You know now cos means you will have to go with this. So 0 to pi by 2 and pi will be negative. So means what the split is coming between 0 to pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2 it is above x-axis. So 0 to pi by 2 it is above x-axis, and pi by 2 to pi it is below x-axis. I hope you might have understood. So here 0 to x-axis if you will be writing. So 0 to pi by 2 it is coming positive. So cos x will open plus cos x dx. And then from pi by 2 to pi by 2 to pi it is minus cos x dx. So cos x will become sin x, and here it is coming as pi by 2 to 0 minus sin x, and then it is coming as pi to pi by 2 slowly over here. So why? Because sine of 90 minus sine of 0, okay, minus sine of pi minus sine of 90. I hope you might have understood. This is 1 minus 0 minus 0 minus 1. So it is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. That's it. Shiva, this is also again you hit it nicely. Super. This is what I am expecting from my students. Shall we go for the next? Next question. Now look here. This question doubts are over, Nasser. But one NCRT question is there. This question I need everybody to solve, because if you solve this question, means all the other questions will be solved with this method only. So now question is 1 to 4. Very carefully check. 1 to 4 modulus of x minus 1 plus, here it is coming as x minus 2 plus x minus 3 dx. Start doing it, please. The limit is coming for like this. Shall I solve, please? Inform. If you wish, means I am going to solve. Sadhana, are you there? See, you people have a very bad habit. You are joining, and after that, you are not. Can I solve? Hey monkey, I gave one question. So now look here, this section now you write it as f of x. First you write f of x is equal to x minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3. Understood? Ready? So first we will break it. Check here. It is 3 is there, na beta. So our first work is first time we will go 1 to 2. Understood? Then second break will be 2 to 3. Next is 3 to 4. Four terminals we are going to generate. So this is the first terminal. What is the first terminal? 1 to 2, then 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. Between 1 to 2, if you will be getting what work we are going to do. You check this now. 1 to 2 means this is the interval part. So here 1 to 2. When you are going from 1 to 2. So this will open with minus, this will open with minus. Any value between 1 to 2. So here if 1 to 2 value means this one will be plus or minus. Starting with 1 to 2, you take 1.5. 1.5 minus 1 is positive value. 1.5 minus 2 is negative and negative. So this one will become minus x minus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 4. Minus x plus 1 plus x minus 2 plus x minus 3. This and this will get cancelled. X minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. Understood? So here it will become x minus 4. Directly we can write. Did you understood? So here this is minus and this part is plus and this part is plus. Now 2 to 3. So 2 to 3 means 2.5. Now this time this one is plus, this one is plus and this one is minus. So here, sorry, this part will become minus. So now this section will come as what? X minus 1 plus x minus 2 minus x plus 3. So this and this will get cancelled. So it is coming x plus 3 minus 3, 0. So this time it will come as x. Got it? Now from 3 to 4. 3 to 4 when you are taking, all 3 will be 3 to 4 means 3.5. Any value greater than 3, all 3 will become positive. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. It is coming 3x minus 6. So it is coming as 3x minus 6. So once you have made it ready, hey, how many of you are live? Come on, check. Check any message over. Now look here, this is exactly the part after doing this. So first work is we wrote like this. This was the channel which gave us the values. We substituted it. Now beta, directly we can write this now. Between 1 to 2, x minus 4 dx. That now between 2 to 3, x dx. And then 3x minus 6 dx. It is coming 3 to 4. Then check who and all are present in the group. will become 3x square by 2 minus 6x. This is coming 4 and 3. Now substitute and get the answer, please. This is one of the iconic questions of CBSE, and like this only they will be asking questions. So if you will not be listening, me means you are only going to be different. You will be going. Huh? Huh? Check one thing. Yes. I did mistake. Correct one. If I will take first one is 1.5 means first one is plus and remaining 2 is minus. Yeah, correct. Minus x plus 2 minus x plus 3. So this and this will get cancelled. Minus x 1 plus 4 minus x plus 4. Correct. So that's what I wrote, minus x plus 4. Minus x plus 4. It is minus this and plus 4. Thank you. This part will become minus x plus 4. I told, but I did mistake. So now look here. Minus 2 square by 2 plus 2 fours are 8 when we substituted 2. Understood? Now we are going to substitute 1. So here minus 1 by 2 plus 4. This is done. After that, the next one. 9 by 2 minus 2 to the 4 by 2. Got it? Plus 3 into 4 fours are 16 by 2 minus 6 fours are 24 and then minus, check this one out, 27 by 2 and then here minus 3 6 are 18. Check this one very nicely. Again, I will forget where it from. Now check this one out. So this is exactly, see, where no plus and minus is there, now don't do anything. Understood? Sorry, good evening. Good. So now look here. So here, when you are writing 2, here it is coming as 2 square. Minus part will be as it is. See, I didn't change anything. Did you notice how process was there? I didn't took minus outside and change anything. X square means minus part was minus x square by 2 plus 4x came. Understood? So first I substituted 2. So what it is coming as minus 2 square by 2. So here minus 4 divided by 2 will become how much? Minus 2. You see here. So here it is coming as minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 8 will become 6. Done. Now here minus. After that we are substituting 1. So minus 1 square is minus half. Minus half plus 4 will become 8 minus 1 by 2. It is coming as minus 7 by 2. This part over. Now here 9 minus 4 will become 5 by 2. Understood? Plus, now this part you check. 2, 8. 24 minus 24 will become 0. Minus 27 by 2. 27 by 2 minus 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 3, 36. So here 27 minus 36 divided by 2. So here what you are going to write, 6 minus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2 and then here minus of minus. So it will become plus. How much it is coming? 9. 9 or 11, check. 16 minus 7. Yes. So now here 6 will keep as it is. Then here 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. So here it is coming as plus 7 by 2. So 2 6 are 12 plus 7 by 2, 19 by 2. We got the answer. 19 by 2 is the answer. So that's what we have to do. We need to solve like this. Come on. The correct answer is 19 by 2. So I hope you people have solved it nicely. I hope you have done this work. Shall we go for the next part, please? So this was the first part. So this property, based on the property what we have seen, we have solved the question. Did you got 19 by 2? Okay. So like this modulus part means another property we have solved and we have done. Now next property beta, we know already that whenever somebody will lower and upper limit remains the same means no need to solve, answer will come always 0. Understood not? So lower and upper limit will always be same means the answer will come ultimately 0. This is one property. Another property is if lower limit is a, sorry, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is a, f of x dx. So it will become what? Punch you. What is the limit value is f of a minus x dx. Understood? F of a minus x dx. This is exactly the correct format. F of a minus x dx. So 0 to f of x, this part is there means. Got it? So this is exactly the next property. We'll go with the next another property means ki if lower limit and upper limit will not be 0, it will stay with a plus b fx dx. Then what you are going to write? A to b f of, come on, say fast. A plus b minus x. Upper limit, lower limit addition and it will become minus x. A plus b minus x. Always x will be pushed backward. You remember this one. So here a minus x. A, see, this property is extreme, this property came with this property only. Lower limit plus upper limit minus x. So 0 plus a minus x is a minus x only now. 0 plus a minus x is a minus x only. That's what now. A plus b minus x you are writing and dx you are putting. Correct? A plus b minus x and dx you are putting. So same way we are proceeding with this part. So just check this one out nicely. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, go for it, please. Next property, go for it, please. So if these are the two properties which we are using, now I'll go for the next property. Understood. So I'm giving you some questions related to it, but first I'm giving you greatest integer related questions. Now go for this greatest related integer related questions because look here, this is coming for MCQ questions. Come on, solve this question. Hey, monkey, solve. Monkey, hiding face will not hide the truth. Solve it. You are thinking about tomorrow exam. Okay, you can go. 19 minutes. It is 7:19. This question is the last question. After that, I'll release you. Finish these two questions. After that, I'll send you. Just solve this question. This is first question. Again, remaining part of the definite integrals. I'm going to take 0 to 2 modulus of greatest integer x square dx. Come on, solve this question. These are the two questions I need you to solve. Hey, finish that. Solve this question. After that, I'll not disturb you. See, when modulus part is given now, see greatest integer is given means, I'm solving it quickly so that you can understand this. See, when this part is given means 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, all interval you can take. 0 to 1, understood? 0 to 1 you need to write and then it will get greatest integer dx. Now plus 1 to 2, greatest integer dx. And then 2 to 3, greatest integer dx. Like this it is coming. Understood? 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So 0 to 1, what value will come here? 0. Understood? Instead of greatest integer, what value we are going to write? 0. 0 to 1. This story itself is over. Now here it will become 1 dx, 1 to 2. And then here it will become 2 dx. You just have to substitute here the lower limit values. So here 2 means 2 to 3. Now this part the fully one because integration of 0 part will become 0. This is done. Here it will become what? X. X lower limit 2 plus 1 and here it is coming as 2 outside x. This is not that limit value. This is x 2 to 1 plus this bracket is different. Here it is 2 coming out x 3 and 2. So it is coming 2 minus 1 plus 2 3 minus 2. 1 plus 2 answer is coming as 3. I hope you might have understood. This is the way to proceed and write the answer. Now second 0 to 1, this is x square dx. Then 1 to 2, 1 to 2, x square dx. 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 x square dx. Come on, check this one out. 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. When x square will be there like that. But here, this is not a correct format. Here, since x square is there, we need to. Did you understand? So when this section will be given, x square will be given, the integral part will change. Here it will become root under 1, root under 1, root under 2. Yes, because x square is there. So once x square will be there, it will be just splitting that part to root under 2, then root under 3 to root under 2. Yes, so it will come as again plus root under 2 to root under 3 modulus of x greatest integer, and then here root under 3 to 2 this dx. That's the beauty of this question. Because see greatest integer x square is there now. Greatest integer x square is there. Understood? Yes, limit value will be there. No, greatest integer x square is there. Square part is there. So you need to solve like this. Please check this one out. Square part means you need to write like this. See, x square is equal to 2. But we have to find greatest integer, na? So it will become root 2. So lower limit and upper limit will change. That's the most important thing. Come on. Now start solving and put the values, because now once you have written root, now you have to substitute. See, one time what is the lower limit you are going to put here? 0. So it will become 0 dx, 1 to, sorry, 0 to 1. Next, 1 to root under 2. Now you put here root at 1, so it is coming dx. Now here root under 2 value you have to put. So root under 2 to root under 3, root under 2 whole square dx. Got it? So it will come plus, here root under 3 you are going to put root under 3 whole square dx, and root under 3 to 8 by integral greatest integer. You understand one thing, greatest integer is absolute number. Understood or not? So now greatest integer is x only, but here x square is given. To change that part, what we are doing is कि whatever intervals are there, all the intervals, like if it is given from 0 to 2, understood or not, then x square will be judged between 0, 1 and 2. Got it? 0, 1 and 2. So 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means the value of x square will become 0 to 1 means 1.5 you will take. Correct, no? So here this root 2 will come here. Are you understanding? But here greatest integer sections will be coming. That's what is the most important section you need to understand. So here when I am giving you between 0 to 2, here limit is exactly coming between 0 to 2. So x square will be taking all the prime contents. Got it? So prime contents are coming here as 0, 1, root 2, root 3 and 2. Got it? Root 2, root 3 and 2. Because all that, see, what is the square of root 3? What is the square of root 3? 3. What is the square of root 2? Are you when you are taking the square root part of it, and then when you are squaring it, you are getting absolute numbers. But if you will keep everything in root, then you will not get absolute number. That's the logic behind it. Understood or not? So greatest integer part will take the least values. So whenever least values will be there, the terminals will break like that. Are you understanding? 1, then root under 2, then root under 3, and then 2. And after 2 will come root under, after 2, 2 is exactly root under 4. After that root under 5, root under 6. If it is given from 0 to 6. Understand or not? So like that. So till it will not reach to that root part, will all the x square will reach to all the values absolute number with root. So here this part will come as what? Root 2 whole square. So this section is only 1. 1 means it will become x. Now it will come with root 2 and 1. Second part is coming as 2, but here this is x. So root 3, root 2. Next part is coming as 3, and this part is 2 and root 3. Because here this part will become root 2 minus 1 plus 2, root 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3 root 2. This answer will come. Let me check. Yes, absolutely. So it is coming, this integral part will be coming as, check here. Here it is coming as how much, better check, 6 minus 1. It will become 5. Okay. Now minus root 2. After that, this section is minus 3 minus root 3. Correct? Yes. This is the format. This is the format where all the integral values you need to substitute. I hope till here you have understood, so I am keeping the class till here. Is it okay for everybody? I am keeping the class till here. Tomorrow again definite integral part I am going to teach. This is one of the most important question. I know I removed this section. Solving section. I need to only remove this part. This is the answer. Okay. Good evening. So definitely till here we are going to do. Let's keep it till here. Okay. Next class we'll meet. Bye everyone.